days. Oh. Yeah. You good, Briar? They're going away. Yeah.
That's probably like they probably got rent from.
He's like, they got that good shit. Or good stuff.
The only reason a bird would be hanging out with his best friend.
Absolutely. Oh, look at the little ibises. Cedar. Up the Florida mountain we go. This is hiking. The Florida Trash Mound. Cedar. Peekaboo! Peekaboo! Josiah put away the birds.
back from flying the birds. The past couple times we've gone flying, they haven't really wanted to fly very much, which is perfectly okay. The most important thing that we want for them is to be comfortable when they're out flying. That's a really good way that we can ensure their safety as much as possible. So if they don't feel like flying, that's okay. We still enjoy going out there just because it's enrichment, not only for the birds, but it's enrichment for us too. And if they have more fun just hanging out with us and doing tricks, then that's perfect.